Hello all, good evening. Yes, today we are making cartoon, right? Yes, so in cartoon we'll be using very basic shapes and it will be very easy. And also we are making shark in a cartoon manner. And also later we'll be doing folding surprise puppet. Okay, we'll do it later. So first take your drawing sheet. Okay, keep in vertical manner. Now we'll take top edge of the paper and fold it down to the bottom. Line it up with the edge. Okay, we'll line up with the edge. And we'll press here. Okay, and then we'll take top flap and we'll fold it back to the top like this. Top edge. Right? And once again, now look at the screen. We'll flip it. Okay, we'll flip it and do the same procedure. Okay, we'll fold back to the top. I'll repeat it once again from the start. Okay, yes, this is what we get. Okay, here are two foldings and here there is no folding, so we'll keep the sheet in this manner. Then we'll start drawing. Okay, now take your sketch pen. So first take your sketch pen and we'll make half circle. So here are two foldings. From here, from this part, you need to make half circle. And even in this portion, we need to make same thing. We need to make half circle. Yes, now we'll make two eyes. To make two small circles on the right top. Okay, and then now we'll shade here by using black sketch. If you don't have black sketch, then use black gel pen. Okay, and then we'll make two nostrils. Yes, we have made two semicircles which becomes a big circle, and then we have made two eyes by using circle and two small dots which indicates nostrils. Yes, next we'll draw two fins. Okay. Here is a half circle. So we'll draw two fins which is nothing but curved V. Okay. So here we'll make curved V like this. On both the sides, even in the right hand side. We'll make curved V. And on the top, we'll make one more fin. It's very simple. We are using basic shapes, and in today's class, everyone's artwork must be very neat. We'll open this and we need to make straight line here. We need to join these two lines. So you should not use scale. I don't want anyone to use scale. We'll draw free-handed, okay? Okay. And here is a folding you can see, right? We can see a folding here. So we'll make straight line. Just draw the folding. You should not touch to the corner, okay? Just a straight line without touching the end, okay? And here you can see one more folding here, right? You can see folding here, and this time you should not make straight line there, but slide at the top, okay? You must leave some gap and make a straight sleeping line. This time not on the folding. Make sure that it is not on the folding. But at the top, we have made a straight sleeping line on the folding. Yes. Okay. Now we'll join this line. Once again, by using straight line, we'll join these two lines. Okay. Once again, you should not use any tools like scales or anything. Yes. Now we'll make sharp teeth. Okay. So we'll make some random zigzag lines here at the top. Okay. We'll make some random zigzag lines. At the bottom, slightly curved V. Okay. And also it must be bigger than the top one. Slight bigger and also curved V like this. Not too much big, but okay. And next we'll make tongue. Okay. So here is a folding you can see, right? Okay, here is a folding and you need to make U here. Okay. U. You need to write U. This is the tongue we are doing now. And we'll join this by making two bumps. Okay. So here is a folding and you need to make two bumps like this. Yes, now we'll make throat. So at the top, okay, leave some gap here. Okay. We'll write small u. We'll write small u. Once again, take your sketch pen and we'll make some fishes over here. Okay. So it's very simple. You can use your creativity now. You can make water or anything you want. Okay. So I'll make fish, small fishes here. Okay, we'll proceed now. So everyone, close your sheet like this. We'll give gray color to this part. For the top semicircle, not at the bottom, only at the top. So we'll give gray color. So we'll give gray color to this shark. Yes, next we'll open this. Now take black sketch pen. Okay. Now take black sketch pen and here is a part, right? You can shade it by using black. Okay. Next we'll take light pink to shade here. So next rest part we can give red color. Let it be teeth as it is, but rest you need to color by using red. So we can make a small line here and we can give blue for the bubbles. See, this is a folding surprise puppet. See, when you fold it, and you can make puppet show. See the shark speaking like this. I hope you enjoyed the class. Now I want to see your creativity.